Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. So today's news is about 2019 bbnaija winner Mercy Eke. Mercy Eke gives epic clapback to curious fan who inquired about her victory money. bbnaija Mercy Eke recently reacted to reports of NYSC allowance being increased to 33,000. The reality star jokingly expressed interest in going back to being a youth corps member. A tweet attracted a curious fan who inquired about whether her bbnaija money was finished. Earlier reported the news of how Brigadier General Shuaibu Ibrahim, the Director General of National Youth Service Corps (NYSC), finally cleared the air on the fixed amount for the monthly allowance for members of the scheme. He stated that the government has approved 33,000. Reacting to this is 2019 bbnaija winner Mercy Eke. She recently took to Twitter to jokingly express her interest in going back to being a corps member. Shortly afterwards, a curious fan questioned her about her bbnaija victory money and if it was finished. Mercy clapback, however, has left social media users impressed. She simply wrote, "Have you ever seen a beach lack sand? No, it creates more sand." This comes shortly after she was cited in a new video making the rounds in online community. The reality star appeared to have taken some time off her newfound celebrity life to spend time with God in church. In the video on the Twitter page of an individual identified as Chidinma, Mercy was spotted beside the pastor on the altar. The ex-Pepperdam housemate was heard sharing a personal testimony with the congregation. Meanwhile, Rono Omokri has dropped another nugget for his fans and followers on social media. The controversial author has advised people to work smart. The author shared a post talking about hard work on the popular microblogging platform. Yeah, I know, in the past, this has been a problem for most bbnaija winners. After winning the prize money, they end up squandering their money on irrelevant things. Take for instance Ife, bbnaija winner 2017. There's been rumor that if he's broke, he's lost his money. He said he was going to invest his money in music, and some people thought he's not good in music, and so that would be a bad investment. But he still went ahead to do that, and then the rumors came that he's broke and all that. And then, being that Messi is the latest bbnaija winner, I know some people are going along. Some people think prize money must have finished based on Messi likes buying classy things, foreign things. So hence the curious fan wanted to know what's going on in her life. So guys, what do you think about this? Let's discuss in the comment section.